Hello again, Pietro here. So another DIY. This time we are in the kitchen and we're gonna fix a faucet. So we've had this faucet for 10 years and watch what happens. The water turns on, but no, whoop. See that? Yeah. The handle is not, whoa, it's definitely not supposed to do that. Oh, Sasha, it's going all the way around now. It's supposed to kind of stop right there on hot, and then when you pull it back, then it stops on cold and not do that. So I called Moen part. It's 1255. And as far as the makeup, I'll explain that later. Just replace this and it should have instructions. So we'll rip this open. Oh, that's really loud. Oh, it comes with a tool. Okay, so we have this part, a little Allen wrench, and a little plug thingy. Okay, let me read these. Reading through all the instructions here, different types of faucets, and that one right there looks like ours. Okay, so there's a little thing right there. I already took that out. So this tiny little plug, I just popped it out using a finishing nail. And now, there we go. With the right light, you can actually see in there that there's a little Allen wrench. There we go. And they sent one in the package. Nice. Lefty loosey. Oh wow, that is stripped. Whoops. Whew. I almost lost that down the drain. You know, let's do this. Let's put that right there so I don't lose any tools. Okay. And now it says to just kind of...
Heart rate, 101.
Oh, thanks. Oh, I've got to turn off the water. Shoot. Step one, before you start taking apart the cartridge, turn off the water. So we're underneath the sink. We should have a couple of valves here. So that turns off the hot. That's gonna turn off the hot to the dishwasher. And then that turns off the cold to the sink. So when these are parallel with the hose, the fluids, the water's running. So off, off, and off. Did you get that? So after you've turned off the water, now we can undo this wrench. Okay, so that's that part right there. So they sent us a replacement. And then this should just pop out. Okay, good news. That literally just, wow, look at that. So really, it's not that damaged,
87.
but it is. So that's the old one. It looks like that head part is just completely stripped and worn out. So now we just slide this new one in. Yep, just slide that in. Yay! Okay, it fit. And now we put this over it. And we'll tighten that. So all we needed for this project was our hands, a crescent wrench, and that Allen wrench, which they sent. Now, if you have a different faucet, you might need different tools, and I'll include the model of this faucet in the description. And I would not recommend using power tools because you can strip, and that would not be good. All right. So now, where'd our faucet go? Huh. I was wondering if this is stripped, but I don't think it is. Let's test it. Yeah, now it's stopping, whereas before it, there we go. That's better. Now we're going to cross my fingers and turn back on the water. You know, we're just going to turn back on the cold for now, just in case. All right, so we tightened that.
Heart rate, 91.
All right, looks pretty good. No leakage. So now we can turn back on the hot water. There we go. And last part, we put back in that plug, which just kind of goes right in there. The instructions got a little wet. And that's it. That's how you repair your Moen faucet. Now the cool thing is, Moen has lifetime warranty on these parts. All you have to do is prove proof of purchase. We didn't have to do that. I just told them when we bought the house, and I've replaced a few Moen faucets over the years, and I have an account with them now. And anyway, that was pretty easy. Less than 10 minutes, and we saved $80 by not hiring a plumber. Any comments? Type those pithy questions down below. And the face paint, this is from my lovely daughter, and it was a tribute to that one episode of Star Trek.
Captain, you are to be congratulated. Never before has Lokai been rendered so quiescent.
I will not return to Sharon with him, to a land of murdering oppressors.
I told you where you were going. I allowed your fellow countrymen here simply as a courtesy. And you see how this killer repays you, as he repays all his benefactors.
And then also, I like Batman. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.